Good afternoon. Today we're going to be making some chicken pasta salad. To start off, we got chicken. This is just the Costco rotisserie chicken. Got about 3 cups of that, 3 to 4 cups. We're going to dice it up a little bit smaller because it does come in pretty big chunks. We have 2 spiral pastas, what we're going to be using today. 2 bags of that. Then we got a cup and a half, maybe a cup and 3/4 of extra virgin olive oil. We have about 2/3 of a cup of your favorite balsamic vinegar. We have about a 1/4 cup of onion, dried minced onion. We have about 2.5 tablespoons of garlic. About 1/8 of a cup of black pepper. We have, this is the juice from the pickled artichoke hearts. It's got a lot of good spices in there, so we're going to use that in the dressing. 1 can of red kidney beans, 1 can of black beans, about 1/2 to 3/4 of a cup of red olives. We got a 1.5 cups of green olives and 1 can of pineapple. Pineapple tidbits would be easier, but this is what I had, so we're going to chop those up a little finer. Last but not least, we have extra virgin olive oil and a little bit of seasoned salt that we're just going to put in the water for the so when it boils, it gives the pasta a little bit of flavor. Let's head over there and do that. All right, so while we're waiting for the water to boil, we're going to start prepping some of the other ingredients. We're going to start with, first, I'm going to take the black pepper and I'm going to add it in with the garlic. Just because the garlic's got a little bit of juice in it and that black pepper will soak that up. Got everything covered today. We seem to be having a bit of a fly problem, so we're trying to alleviate that. And then I'm going to take the onions and I'm going to put that in the balsamic vinegar so that it soaks up the flavor from those, and that's just going to make like little flavor bombs inside this salad. In fact, I think I'm going to add all these in together just like this. Get all those flavors married together. Artichoke hearts are a little bit bigger pieces than I like, so we're going to just give them a quick chop so when you get a bite, it's not just all artichoke. These all chopped up. Doesn't need to be perfect. You don't want all those super big chunks in there. Double stuffed jalapeno and garlic. They are delicious. Don't drink any longer, but these were my favorite when they were soaked in vodka back in the day. Cut up the red olives a little bit smaller than we did with the green ones because they're more potent, and we don't want to just like have nothing but olive flavor in a bite. We want to get all these flavors in there married together. Looks like our water's boiling now, so I'm going to toss that pasta in there while we're finishing up the rest of the stuff. Next, I'm going to do the pineapple. So got a little bit of juice left in there. That'll be good in with here. And just want to get a finer chop on there. You can use pineapple tidbits or crushed pineapple to make it a little bit easier for you, but I had a can of this already in the cupboard, so figured I'd use it. Pineapple's done. Next thing we're going to throw on there is the chicken. And this is pre-cooked chicken. This salad would also be really good with our no BS chicken recipe. That will be taped this week and probably uploaded next week. Like I said, this is just the Costco chicken strips, and it'll work just fine for what we're doing. There we go. Start on our dressing. I'm going to do olive oil first. And our juice from the artichokes. And this is our onion and garlic, black pepper and balsamic vinaigrette mixture. Oh yeah, perfect. And then pineapples, artichokes, olives. Mix that up a little bit. Black beans. Now I like to drain them and not rinse them. You can rinse them if you want. I just think it spreads a little bit more of that bean flavor around if you just drain them. And our red olives. Oops. Get this covered up while we're waiting for the pasta to cook. We'll put all these together, and that is going to be that's already good. We're going to add the pasta and we're going to add the chicken as soon as the pasta's done cooking. We'll be right back. Cool this down as quickly as possible. Can just use cold water on it and throw it in the fridge for a little while, but this is the way I like to do it. Just slightly al dente. All right, we're gonna go drain off the rest of this water and we'll be right back. Let's get it all mixed up together. our chicken we chopped up earlier, and the dressing. Mixed with all our other ingredients. Guess I should let you see it, huh? Yeah. Ooh, that smells good. This pan does not fit in my fridge, so I'm going to put it in a couple smaller pans. Good for that one. Bringing this one to a party tonight. Get it nice and full. Let's test the final mixture out. Ooh. Wow, that is good. Wow. That's yummy goodness right there. Wow. If you want to add your own little twist on it, I know my dad likes to add wax beans in his. I don't like wax beans. Same thing with green beans. Those could go in it. Maybe a little bit of Parmesan cheese might be good in this. But let me tell you, the way it is right now, awesome.